fish here. Fish is a funny thing, so you have to make sure you wash it. Mimi puts a little bit of vinegar and I wash it with a lot of lemon juice or fresh lime or whatever you have, but wash it thoroughly, open it up and make sure that it's nice and clean. Alright, already you have your salt and black pepper on here. Here I have some flour, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and give it a little dip here. The only thing the flour is going to do is just to hold everything together, so when I fry it, it doesn't fall apart. Alright, so remember, you're not frying chicken, you know. You're going to just kind of slightly dip it in the give flour. It a slight tap. That's it. Get that excess flour off of it, because you're not frying chicken. And then you just go ahead and just put it into the oil. Very simple. And once again, guys, the fish that I'm using is the red snapper and the yellowtail snapper. And you could use any kind of fish that you have. Alright, it doesn't have to be this one, but this is what I'm cooking in my kitchen. Alright guys, so it's been frying for about 5 to 6 minutes. And I'm just going to turn it on the other side now. See? A nice golden brown. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to finish frying the other batch, and when I'm ready to combine everything together with the scallion and the thyme and the onion and the rary and the lele, then I'll let you guys see the finishing touch. So see you back in a few. Now you can see the fish fry up nice and golden brown. Alright, so let me show you how I'm going to finish off this fish. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do is add the seasoning. I'm going to add the sweet pepper, the scallion, I'm going to add the tomato, the pimento seed, the thyme, and the onion. Everything I will go in all at the same time. Then I'm going to add a little bit of garlic. Stir this up. Now the pot that I'm using is the same pot that I use to fry the fish. I didn't use anything else because I need all that flavor from frying the fish to simmer down this fish. Alright? Now I'm going to go ahead and add just a little bit of vinegar, maybe a teaspoon of vinegar. Just give it a little stir. I'm going to let this cook for about 4 to 5 minutes, and when I come back, I'm just going to go ahead and add the fish in here and finish up this and let it see how it looks. Alright guys, so the season is exactly how I want it. Alright, so what I'm going to do next now, I'm going to go ahead and add the fish in there. And you're going to be real gentle with it because you don't want to break this fish up. Alright, so you take your time with it and get this fish all up in there. Don't waste anything. I'm gonna add a pepper. Guys, you know something I like pepper. A brave part, I'm gonna add a pepper water. Don't put it directly on the fish. Just put it around the perimeter of the pot. Alright? And then you can add a little bit of ketchup. Now, if you don't want to put the ketchup on it, you don't have to. So we're gonna put ketchup on it. Just a little bit. I'm going to put the cover on. Right, this is a trick that I use when I am cooking fish this way. After I put my lid on there, I go ahead and just give it a spin, just like this. Right? Just spin it up like that. Open it back up. And then I put my butter in there. That is 1 teaspoon of butter. Right? And there you have it. I'm going to let this steam on low heat for 5 minutes. That's all I need is 5 minutes. And when I come back, I'm going to show you what it looks like on a plate. So see you back. So here you have it. Minutes. Once again, it's the Jamaican snapper. Yellowtail as well. Nice, seasoned, simmered, delicious. On the side, you have some nice tomatoes, otherwise known as salad in Jamaica. Again guys, from my kitchen to yours, Enjoy!